Alright, so you can see right here, it's kind of screwed up. It's actually pulling the carpet out, which is not good. And kind of this stays there at a standstill. So I think it's not working properly. Something's wrong with it. I don't know what's going on, but it's also, when I put my feet here, it's wet. So is this not working properly for this Deebot that I had purchased? And this is over $1,000, so this is not a cheap product. Let me go ahead and move here. I don't know if it's sucked up that, I didn't hear the vacuum suck anything, but it looks like it's dragging that piece of carpet out. So, very unique, very interesting. Going in sideways. That is super interesting. Okay. I've never seen it kind of going sideways like that. And then you can see there's the piece of carpet it ripped out. So I don't know. It's I've restarted the Deebot and remapped as well, but it seems like it's still having issues. So I think this is a faulty glitch or a faulty issue with this product.